Help! A monkey's throwing bananas at me.
I would help you, but I haven't got any hands. I will try.
Oh, I'm having too much fun.
But I'm not.
But I will wrap you with my strong tail.
I don't care.
But I will try to strangle you.
But as night came, the monkey said, I will stop now, but I will carry on tomorrow.
In the morning, the fight began.
I will try to stop you in the morning. The fight started.
The monkey is throwing rocks at me now.
I don't know how to stop him.
Now, I'm even throwing even harder rocks now.
At night, the snake and leopard slunk away. The end.
Okay, now Susie plays.